Hey friends, today is June 16th, 2023. So just woke up like 5-10 minutes ago. Slept very good. This is what I see today. Raining again. Scooters. Rain. A little bit sun. It's not hot. I like it. Maybe 27. Very nice.
I can sing them all my songs and I can tell the stories.
Not bad milk tea. 65 for this big. Quite expensive, but not bad. The place looks very fancy. Never tried this brand before. So I'm having breakfast here. Looks like famous burger place. This is their sign. Yeah. So there's a market near my Airbnb and you can get dragon fruit for 100. They're not super big, not bad. I got all of these dragon fruits for 200 because they were a little bit smaller than the usual ones. So that's in euro 75 cents per dragon fruit. In Lithuania, one dragon fruit like this costs 6 euro. So about 8 times more. And you can barely find them also. Going to this telecom place. My plan is ending in 1 day, so I won't have internet. So I need to take a new plan. I'm already here more than a month. So I can't really top up my card. I need to take a new one. So it's for 1,000. So finished. Did an important thing. Yeah, I thought I could top up because 1,000 is still a lot of money, 30 euros, but I got it for 1 month. I don't think I'm gonna stay here 1 month, maybe 2 weeks max. But yeah, I need internet. It's starting to rain again. Going to get my scooter. Gonna go to that park, Dulan. It's 2 p.m. 2:30. Some Dulan park going up. This doesn't look very good. The road just fell down. It's raining heavily now. It's a slippery slope. I reached some kind of temple. I don't know if I should still keep going. My Google says one direction, then the other. She brought me to some kind of place, to some kind of farm. I'm gonna check out the map. I'm gonna see this temple first. So the forest should be 800 meters from here, but it's kind of steep, and you see this, it's wet. I don't really trust the scooter. So I think I'm just gonna go down and see some more of the coastline. So this place was very close. I'm gonna go check it out. Jackfruit just growing here on the tree. They love this tree. I don't know where exactly to look for it, but this looks like it's going upwards. Like up the hill. So I suppose that was it. They have a store here also. So you can see it also by the road. The water is moving upwards. That's kind of cool. Looks cool, doesn't it? Hola. There is some campers and some houses here. I think they're renting. That looks kind of cool. The mountain, the beach. My friend told me there's a lot of foreigners, like hippie-like. Somehow they love this place. So my dude is making me a coconut, chopping one. It's 50. I guess I'm overpaying, but still. Very nice view. Look at it. Mountain. I can do the zoom with GoPro, but very nice. I found this beef noodle place. Really wanted beef noodles and I stopped here and it said beef noodles, so I was very lucky. I'm at this city, Chenggong. Took me some time to get here, but I'm here. I'm gonna have my lunch and I think I'm heading back to Taitung. Just came back home, a little bit tired because it was quite dark at some parts. You need to be careful, a lot wet. Also, gonna have some dragon fruit and I don't know, I'm gonna have some dinner later after like 1 hour. That's about it. Walking down the street looking for a place to eat, but no luck. It kind of gets annoying that nobody speaks English. A very small percentage, and the ones that speak often don't speak good English. You really need to rely on Google Translate, like Google Lens, that you take a picture and it translates you the menu. because some places have English menu, but often everything is in Chinese. I liked this place yesterday, so I'm going back there. As you see, the menu all in Chinese. Sometimes you translate by Google, but it just says completely nonsense. You can't understand nothing. Okay, so no luck with that shop. It was closed. I'm gonna go maybe here. It looks good also. So this place is more like a porridge place. It's quite famous here in Taiwan, like porridge places. But I ordered udon noodles. Have some clams, chicken tofu, something else. Yeah, I tasted it. It's not bad. So just ate, heading back home. I'm thinking about a plan for tomorrow. I have a list. A friend sent it to me. I really want to do that Dulan forest. Would be cool, but kind of lazy. Maybe I'll just chill tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to another city. It's called Dulan. I know I'm not pronouncing it rightly, but something like that. It's after Taitung, like quite big, on the east side, closer to Taipei. So yeah, I'm leaving 18th. Hey, so finishing my day. I'm gonna end this vlog and see you guys tomorrow.